Hi, this is David, Principal of Delivery Innovation at Opkey. In today's video, we're going to talk about the training agent. Training agent is going to simplify all the things that go into change management and how you can ensure your new hires, your existing hires understand what's expected of them for any given process or transaction. In the cloud world, your system is evolving and changing all the time. Whether it's a new field, a new function, or the introduction of AI within Oracle, you want to ensure that you have a job aid that matches your system. With the training agent and its agentic AI capabilities, we can make sure that we build the latest job aid through natural language with simple step-by-step processes so you can hand that to the end user for adoption purposes. Let's take a look at how the training agent is helping to simplify this process for you. Every time we run an automated test, we can automatically build a new version of a training guide in Opkey. We can select a guide that was generated from the last test execution to view an exact representation of the process in our Oracle Cloud system. The training agent organizes the end-to-end test case into a simplified job aid with step-by-step instructions. A description is auto-generated, and steps are organized in the left pane into meaningful sections for ease of navigation. The training agent captures screenshots for each step, highlights relevant fields or actions, and masks any sensitive data. You can easily add a new step using our recording capability. You can also edit screenshots, update any verbiage to ensure the job aid has all necessary details for the end user. This can include adding important callouts or policies and procedures to inform the individual taking this training. Opkey has also included language translations to ensure your job aids can support different populations across your global footprint. Using the training agent is going to ensure the highest level of adoption by your employees quarter over quarter as your system evolves. Whether you extract those as PDFs, load them into your learning management system, you can ensure the training agent is providing content that can best serve your organization and ensure that your users adopt your system efficiently and effectively. For a deeper dive into the training agent, please reach out to our team so we can set up a live demonstration.